Yo, it's your boy Conrad. How do you guys doing today? So today we have nothing crazy. We're gonna go ahead and I took the lip off. We're gonna go ahead and clear coat it. The clear coat came a couple days ago. We're gonna make sure and see if we can figure out the boost gauge again. We're gonna try to either wrap my pistons or paint them. I don't really know, because when last time I tried to wrap it, it was really hard. I don't know if people usually wrap it or just keep it the original color, because usually they're black, but mine are freaking white. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna go ahead and wet sand the whole thing, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and then just take it outside and clear coat it. We have this 2-part clear coat. It has this little red cap, and then you put it down here, and then it mixes everything that's inside. It's a 2-part. It's way better than 1 part. It's a little more expensive though. I got this a while ago, but let's go ahead and do that. Right. Sorry if it's blinking. It's all the fluorescent lights here, but it's a little more matte. It's not as shiny as it is. I went ahead and wet sanded it all down. We're gonna go ahead and clean it with isopropyl alcohol, and then we're gonna go all the way around and make sure we're all good, and then we'll clear coat it. Alright, so we out here, and I made this little thing in behind my house, so like with the little strings, it's like chicken wire. It's not bad, it holds it up. I think I might start using this for future projects. It's a 2-part, like I said, and it's got like the instructions all on here telling you exactly how to do it. But what you really have to know is this top cap goes on the bottom, and then you break it and you're ready to clear. First, we're gonna go ahead and wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol, and then we're gonna tack cloth it, and then we'll clear it, and then that's exactly how we're gonna go. So let's go ahead and do that. If you guys watched my video on painting my air ducts, you guys know what this is already. This is a tack cloth. It's just like a tacky little, like tack. It's just kind of like sticky paper almost. It's used to just go over the product or whatever you're painting, so there's no like dust, nothing like that, nothing on the actual surface of it. Sucks because there's a little bit of a breeze coming in, so hopefully it sprays well through the spray can. But let's go ahead and do that. So far there's no runs at all. It's looking pretty good. It's not bad. So the plan is, as of right now, that is our 3rd coat. I'm gonna see if I can squeeze out another coat, maybe a lighter coat, for a 4th one. But as of right now, what we're gonna go ahead and do is after the last coat, we're gonna let it sit. After the last coat, we're gonna go ahead and let that sit, and then we're gonna buff it, because there's a bunch of little imperfections here and there. There's just a bunch of little, like, probably a little too much spray that I did, or orange peel. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna wet sand it once it's all dry and clear, and then we're gonna buff it, and then hopefully it's gonna look freaking good and clean. So this is my first time clear coating anything crazy like this, anything carbon fiber. So I mean, so far it hasn't looked too bad. It still looks very orange peely, but honestly that's not bad at all. While the lip is drying, let's go ahead and put the pictures on. Last night I went ahead and wrapped them. They look pretty good. They don't look amazing, but you can't really tell unless you're looking at the car. Pretty much with anything on my car. Let's go ahead and get that done. For some of you guys that don't know, Japanese spec cars, their windshield wiper and turn signals are swapped. So normally, this would be your windshield wiper. So it's kind of weird. It's kind of screwed me over. Hey, pistons be working. I don't know if you can see that. They work. Sick. Next, we really gotta figure out what's up with the boost gauge. I think we honestly might have to take out the whole, at least this side of the interior, to get to all the wiring and see if we can troubleshoot what the heck is actually going on with the wiring. Let's go ahead and take that silencer off too. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see if it looks good or not, or if it sounds good at least. I'm pretty sure it's just one bolt and it comes out. Let's go and try it out. Alright, holy crap. This is a bunch of, I think like carbon and stuff. This is the silencer right here. I'll probably keep this just because when I pull for inspection, I'll probably have to put it back on to have the car pass the decibel test, because this car passed with the 94.9. So the highest you can go is 95. So that's what happened there. So let's go ahead and start her up, see how she sounds. Shit now. Holy shit. She purrs like a freaking beast. So she does still smoke a little bit, as you guys saw. I'm pretty sure it's either my valve stem seals or my turbo seals. Hopefully, yeah, it's either one of the two. Hopefully this winter, like I said, the single turbo is going in, so that won't be a problem, but it goes away after a while. It goes away after like maybe 20 seconds. She sounds great. She's still idling like good. She's idling great as hell. Sounds like a freaking beast. So this is like the final product right here. It looks really good. It looks really good, but it's just very orange peely. Like, I know that I could get it to where it's not, but then that requires cutting and buffing, and honestly I really don't care, because I know the lip's eventually gonna need to be re-clear coated. So maybe the second round I will, but for now it looks really good, well protected, and super shiny. So I'll probably go ahead and install it back into the car. I'm probably going to cut the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed. My name is Conrad, and I'll see you guys in the next time.